Hello, hi everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. And let me tell you, what a shock I got this morning when Lester the mailman sent me a message. Hello, Miss Meg. Sent me a message saying that he had some boxes for me. And I'm like, it's family day. Why are you working? And apparently Post did not get the family day holiday, which I think is sad. They deserve a break too. But I got Topbox, and I have two Topbox accounts. So we're gonna see what's in here. Madison, oh, she's trying to say hi, but there's no room in here to move, like you're squeezed in. So you won't be able to see her. Okay, so this month with Topbox, there was a beauty surprise. Topbox is a Canadian company. You can only get this box here in Canada. It is $15 plus your tax, whatever your province tax is. So I think I pay like $16 and change in this box. The beauty surprise, every other month they have a beauty surprise, and it's $10 plus your sales tax, so $11. And I'm going to say the last few times we've had a beauty surprise, it hasn't been that great. So this month's beauty surprise is from Ipsy. We all love Ipsy, don't we love Ipsy? It is an eyeshadow palette. So we get really expensive beauty surprises from, we have gotten them great perfume, great skincare. I mean, you know, stuff from Fenty. The last couple of months, the beauty surprises have been really crappy. What was it 2 months ago? Oh, I can't remember what it was 2 months ago when we got it, but I know it was like, are you kidding me? So this is the beauty surprise. I mean, it looks like a nice eyeshadow palette from Ipsy. Nice pinky kind of eyeshadow palette. I will be trying this to see how it works. I know I don't know how to feel about this. Made in China, I'm sure. I'm looking. Athena is the name of the eyeshadow palette. Made in China. Right. I'm not sure. I think Ipsy is a Canadian company. It says Ipsy Cosmetics, Montreal, Canada. So, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to swatch a couple of shades. Okay, so there's not a, you know when you swatch, I mean, there's pigment, but it's not bam, bam, in your face pigment. Which is what I expected. Honestly, I did. It's not bam, bam, in your face pigment. Oh, wow. Like, you're really going to have to build to get pigment on this, I think. Wow. Okay. Like, I'm really building here. Okay. So that's just some swatches there. The darkest one is this one. The darkest matte is that one right there. So it's a quality that I expected. I mean, right. And I got two of these. I'm hoping there's another beauty surprise, but there's probably not because I have two boxes. So, yeah, I don't know. I think Topbox is, let's hope the box is really good. They didn't have any pre-made boxes this month, so let's hope the box is really good. But I don't know what's going on. The beauty surprise have been kind of wanky. You know, yeah, great way to start the year. Right? Okay, let's see. This was box number 2. So, Topbox number 2. If you're getting Topbox number 2, this is what you're going to get in it. And I have 2 boxes. So I have Topbox number 1 and Topbox number 2. Great. I'm happy about that. I have 2 different boxes this month. Usually I don't. It's always the same. So in Topbox number 1, we have a dry shampoo from Chlorine. Is it Chlorine? Chlorine. So a little, you know, deluxe size of a dry shampoo. That's okay if people use dry shampoo. I think this brand is at Sephora. I don't think it's like a cheap brand. So that's all right if you like dry shampoo. I don't. I usually give it to my niece. All right. We have something from Bella Pierre. It's a copper eyeshadow. I'm assuming it's a loose pigment copper eyeshadow. Can you see that? Okay, well, they're putting makeup in the boxes, so they don't usually put makeup in a lot of boxes. This is made in the USA. Oh, interesting, Bella Pierre. And I'm assuming that's what it is. It's an eyeshadow, a loose pigment, shimmery eyeshadow. I'm not going to open it because I'm just going to get that stuff everywhere. But it's a pretty color. It's like a coppery color. So this cost me like $16 and change. Then we have, ooh, a bigger bottle of the Kalea Cannabis Sativa Body Butter. I want to smell it. Oh, it smells like spa. That's what it smells like. So I remember in one of our boxes, we got this little eensy tiny sample of this. So we got a bigger one. I'm okay getting a bigger one. This is a Canadian company from Cambridge. So that's all right. Kalea, a body butter. I know Roxanne's going to be really happy if she gets one of these. So a big one of those. We also have a little card here from Chlorane. Detox dry shampoo with organic aquatic mint. And last but not least, because it isn't quite complete. I mean, not only did we get one Ipsy brand in the box, well, we got two. So let's see what this is. This is in a shade Taffy. Cruelty-free and vegan. I got like these sparkles coming from something. I don't know. There's like sparkles coming from everywhere here. Ooh, is it a bullet lipstick? Is it a nice color? Are you a nice... Oh! I'm happy. I like that color. I do. Not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I like that color. Let's take off this lipstick here and see, Miss Ipsy. I love a bullet. Do you have pigment? Wow, there's not much pigment in that. It's like a... It's like a hydrating balm. I don't find like some pigment, but it's not like a lipstick. It's like a hydrating balm. A cream lipstick. Maybe my lips are wet. And that's why. I like the way it feels. It's very hydrating. Okay. That's box number 2. So, I like the lipstick. Again, Ipsy, we expect that with Topbox, you know, Bella Pierre, Ipsy, do say, we expect that, you know. I'm disappointed about the Beauty Surprise. That would have been great if this was in our actual box, the eyeshadow palette. I mean, I don't see great things happening for the Beauty Surprise from what we've seen in the last 6 months. And today, and I don't know if it's because of COVID, you know, and they're not getting the shipments, or they're not getting to work with the companies they did before with the Beauty Surprise. I don't know if that's the reason why, but the Beauty Surprise was a bit disappointing. That eyeshadow palette, the pigment's not there, girl. It's just not there. I just know the struggle I'm going to have with it, you know. But that's pretty cool. I mean, this is a really nice loose eyeshadow pigment. They're a pain in the butt. They get everywhere. And if you like dry shampoo, this is a good brand, right? So we're going to put that down here. I need some space. Okay, I'm going to open up the other box. Okay. The box is open. I didn't look in it. I'm praying that it's not the same beauty surprise. I gotta stop because this has happened a few times in a row now. I get to, and it is the same beauty surprise. So like I just wasted $11. I'm gonna have to stop getting 2 beauty surprises now until they start coming up with better beauty surprises, and sometimes they're different, right? But we'll just stick that right there. Good old, I mean, come on. You don't even want one of these. No, I got 2. I got 2? People don't even want 1 and I have 2. I mean, Lisa, you're not very smart. Not today. I should have known. I should have known because they just haven't been that great. All right. Let's see what's in Topbox 1. Dun-da-dun. Okay. Oh my god. So we have the dry shampoo, which is the same as Topbox 2. We have the Bella Pierre loose pigment, which is the same as Topbox 2. We got the Ipsy taffy lipstick, which is the same as Topbox 2. And we got this teeny weeny incy wincy yellow polka dot. This is the tiniest sample of Bioderm. Are you kidding me? That's what they put in there? I mean, is that there nothing else? Oh my goodness. Not even the big size of the Bioderma. This teeny weensy sample size of Bioderma. Come on, Topbox. Really? Yeah. So it seems like if you're getting Topbox, you're guaranteed to get these 3 products. The dry shampoo, the Ipsy, and the Bella Pierre. That's it. That's Topbox. And I personally can tell you that I think I wasted $25, no, $35. Maybe about $30, maybe $40. Because the beauty surprise is crappy. So the taxes and all, that cost me, say 11 and 11 is 22, about $23 with the change. That's $23 there, right? Because the beauty surprise is, I mean, this is crap. I'm telling you, it's crap. The eyeshadow is crap. The formula is crap. It's crap. That's my opinion. I mean, somebody else might love it, you know, but that's my opinion. The formula is crap. And then I got 2 extra boxes, and this repeats. And that little tiny sample, I mean, you know, so that was $15, you know, so that's $23 and $15, right? So I'm thinking I'm going to go back to having only 1 box. The reason why I like to have 2 boxes is because when they have a good pre-bay, I like to get the pre-bay box and the regular box, right? So I can show you what they get, but they didn't even have a pre-bay box this month. So, right. Yeah. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think about the box? Let me know in the comments down below. And I'm sure a lot of you right now are going, I am so happy I canceled when I did. I'm so happy. I saved myself some money. Anyway, I hope you're having a great Monday, and I will see you tomorrow. I don't know with what. I'm so surprised that I got boxes today. I thought Post was having a day off, which they deserve. Anyway, that's that on that. Right? Have a good one, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.